This is Justin Paulson, an arborist addicted to tree climbing. With the brand new MSA 190T, Justin loves his work, and he loves the new MSA 190T arborist saw. This one works great in combination with the new AP200S. Let's dive deeper into the tech facts. The MSA 190T has 1.500 watts electric power and instant torque, an EC motor with low maintenance, high efficiency, and long life service. It just weighs 2.7 kilos without battery, bar, and chain. With the power boost, the MSA provides extra short-term power when needed. X-Works. The MSA 190T is equipped with the Stihl Light 01 lightweight bar for great balance. The new operating system is simple and elaborate, and so is the felling notch on either side. With the IPX4 rating, it's certified to work in the rain. Stihl also launched new accessories. Here's a sneak peek. At first, the new AP strap adapter 2-in-1. It combines outsourced battery for less weight in hands with the advantage of a strap or the comfort hook. It's small, simple, and useful for climbing. The thought-out design supports the arborists or municipal workers with power developments in all positions. Justin is already convinced. The MSA 190T really has everything he expects from a mid-range top-handle chainsaw.